Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna make a quick and delicious dinner. A simple sandwich with melted pizza cheese, sliced beef and turkey inside burger bun. Let's get started. Okay, I have a pack of beef, a pack of turkey, 3 hamburger buns and some shredded cheese. With just these few ingredients, let's make a simple, delicious and quick sandwich dinner together. Now we're quickly chopping up the beef and turkey, getting them ready to go right into our hamburger buns. Have you ever found yourself wondering what to make for dinner? This quick and tasty meal is perfect. It's simple. Everyone will love it, and it can even be a great snack for between meals. Once everything is ready, slice the top of the burger bun and gently hollow it out. Don't make it too empty, just enough to hold all that delicious filling. First, I like to spread a little mayo and mustard on the bun to make it extra tasty. But you can also use Greek yogurt with mashed avocado and light mustard, or low-fat ketchup instead of mayo and mustard. Now I'm adding about 2 spoonfuls of our chopped turkey and beef into the bun that we've spread with sauce. Then I top it with some shredded mozzarella to get it ready for the oven. I'm gonna quickly get the other 2 ready so the kids will be happy that tonight's dinner is ready in no time. Don't forget to turn on the oven first so it's nice and hot, and your sandwich gets that melty cheese goodness fast. I'm not sure if the kid will be full with this sandwich or if I should make a quick dessert on the side. I'll put it on for 10 minutes for get it ready. With love, from my kitchen to yours. Now it's time to taste. If you enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to my channel, like it, leave a comment telling me what recipe you'd like next. And if you like this one, let me know too. By the way, I'm going to make a quick dessert and I'd love for you to join me as we make it together. I'm going to make a quick dessert. Our dessert is ready. We mix the powder with milk, put it on the stove until it thickens. Then let it cool in the fridge and it's ready to enjoy. If you like, I can teach this recipe. Just let me know in the comments if you want me to, because it's super easy, made with milk and rice flour, and can be a complete breakfast for the kids. When we add rose water and rice flour to the milk, the whole house fills with its lovely aroma. This dessert is so tasty and can be a perfect starter for cozy evenings. While the sandwiches are in the oven, I quickly made this dessert so kids can enjoy it right after and be happy.
Now it's time to try it. It's so delicious.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.